Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make vanilla cupcake. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of powdered sugar. We need 2 eggs of extra margarine, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla for the vanilla cupcake. Now we'll see how to make that. So extra margarine, and add the sugar, powdered sugar, and beat it well. We'll beat together extra margarine and sugar, powdered sugar. Now enough. We'll add one by one egg and beat again. Add the other egg also. And beat well. Now add the milk also and the vanilla essence. And beat well again. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, another half teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and sheave this and take. Add 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and sheave the flour and take. Now I sheave this and sheave the flour and took. Now we can add little by little and mix it well. Before that we must preheat the oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we'll add the flour little by little and mix from a pallet. Like this, add little by little and mix it well. Here's my cupcake, vanilla cupcake batter. Here this is little bit thicker than this butter cake. Now we must arrange for this to cupcake tray. Here I lined from a cupcake. We have 9 cupcakes in this. We'll pour and bake and see. Here's my cupcakes. We'll bake and see now. Here's my cupcakes. We'll bake this one in 180 degrees for 20 into half an hour. In 20 minutes you check this. If this one didn't bake, you keep it another few minutes and take. Here's my well baked cupcakes. We'll let it to be cool and we'll put icing and see. It's very tasty and fluffy cupcakes. We'll beat 1 egg white now. Beat this till it like this without falling. When we are turning the ball, it's not falling. Egg meringue. Vanilla also. And little by little add icing sugar, beat it well. Then add vanilla and add the icing sugar and beat it well. Add another little icing sugar and again beat. Here's the consistency. This is my royal icing. We can add pink color to that and we can icing the vanilla cupcake. We'll add little pink coloring. Like this, we can pipe to the cupcake. If you need, you can add 2 colors also. Here's my cupcake, vanilla cupcake I piped from royal icing. You also make and taste and see. We see our all the cupcakes. Here's my vanilla cupcake I piped from royal icing. You also make and taste and see.